Dorian slammed into the Bahamas as a Category 5 hurricane, the worst in the country's history. Thousands of lives and homes have been destroyed, and the rebuilding process is likely to take years. This footage, taken just this week over Freeport, shows the utter devastation in this part of the Bahamas, weeks after Dorian hit.
20 minutes, it was 15 to 18 foot water up to the second story in plenty of the buildings, with babies getting washed away out of their mother's arms.
CBN's Operation Blessing remains on location in the hardest hit areas, including Abaco, Grand Bahamas, and Freeport, providing much needed relief and support.
One of the biggest threats now is mold. So Operation Blessing is producing chlorine to help families sanitize their homes and neutralize the threat before it starts to affect their health.
We got water.
Medical help is also being offered.
What do you feel in your legs, right? Blood pressure?
Yes. In partnership with local churches, food, hygiene kits, and Home Depot buckets, which contain cleaning supplies and masks, are being distributed across the islands.
The people here, many of them have lost everything. And to have Operation Blessing to come in with the Home Depot buckets, we're just so grateful.
Meanwhile, OB is helping to meet the spiritual needs of those who have lost so much. Charlene Aaron, CBN News.